Alright guys, my first unboxing video to bring to you. It is the Roccat Horde gaming keyboard, and I purchased this keyboard from my local Currys. Not too expensive, it was about £34. Set it up nicely as you can see there, and I will be going through some of the really interesting features of this keyboard and showing them to you and demonstrating them. Alright guys, so a little bit of a different video today to bring to you. I needed a new keyboard just so I can use my desktop in peace. Old one was getting a bit dusty and sticky and worn, so I thought why not just cash out on a new thing, update the whole system and get things looking brand new again. So I've got the Roccat Horde gaming keyboard here today to bring to you. I'll be doing an unboxing of this. Looks pretty good. It's got some really good features that I want to show you. I'm excited to bring those to you. So let's get started. Let's get this out of the box. Blast that seal. Get this open. Wow. Okay, so this is what it looks like from the inside. Nice little box there that comes in, all enclosed, all looking really tidy. Okay guys, so that's what it looks like once taken out of the box. As you can see there in the top right, was given a CD, most likely containing the drivers for this keyboard, or a little pack rather of instructions, where to download drivers, things like that. Okay guys, so after unboxing all of your components, you will have the keyboard itself, which you can see there, and a bunch of leaflets for instructions for the installation. So straight off the bat guys, quality wise, very nice keyboard. I'm not sure if you can hear this, but this is like how I like to measure the quality of the keys. That nice little sound there. You don't want a plasticky, weak, rigid sound. You want a nice press in there. Nice size. As you can see, my hands aren't the smallest. They will be able to reach the keys. A nice little gap in between there as well. And what I've been told through reading the packaging, of course, is that this keyboard has ghost protection. So when some keys on older keyboards cease to work, or I don't know, sometimes keyboards just mess up. It's actually happened to my one with the shift key. Just decided to pack his bags and hang up his boots. Nothing I can really do about that except get a better keyboard. So here we are, and this one potentially will be protecting it against things like that. So that's really good. Okay, so disposal information and stickers aside, you have something that looks like this. Nice big leaflet. Actually some really impressive artwork there on the back as well from Roccat. Essentially what this is showing me is all the different features. Right off the bat I can see they are referring to this nice little tuning wheel here in the top right, which looks like a really nice feature, because bearing in mind I don't just play games on my computer, I'll be using it to make music and loads of other things as well. So these macro keys you see here could potentially have a number of different uses, a big part of my decision. These macro keys will just be generic in-game macros that you can use for example, building in Fortnite, games like World of Warcraft, stuff like that. It'd be very easy to set up these macro keys. These ones at the top will be very handy in terms of playing, fast forwarding, rewinding music, and just handling all your generic music function. Alright guys, so as you can see, in this pitch black room, just with a little bit of light from my camera, I've now set up my keyboard. This is my custom build. Could be of interest to a few of you guys. As you can see, some blue lighting in there. Nice little window here. Actually, I have to clean it up because it's so dusty. But over here we come. Keyboard's been set up and the lights are flashing nicely. No complaints on my part. It's a nice size. Seems to cater to all the macro needs and general needs of caps lock and all that stuff. Very nice pushability, if that's a word that you could use, for this keyboard. Slots in really nicely there. Very happy with the purchase. As you can see, it's flashing there nicely, nice and bright. This can all be controlled from the top panel here as a sort of outline. So we've got brightness control there. As you can see, we're using a little dial here to make it as bright as possible, or as dim as possible if we want to. See? Brightness goes up and down, that's more or less off. It's basically off. And then we just switch that off here. This is the speed of the effect, so the FX speed. I'll go on the fastest one so you can see what it looks like. Nice little pulsing one, there's different ones as well, as you can see here. So yeah, we've got different effects there. You can see a constant glow, more of a flash, and then a nice little pulse, and there's an in and out pulse as well, which is the one that I showed. There you go. There you have it. The Roccat Horde gaming keyboard. Okay guys, if you like this video, like, comment, subscribe. If you got any feedback, drop it below, and I'll see you in the next unboxing.